Perfect! My cookie cutter arrived. Now I can make my ginger cookies. We're going to start by adding 2/3 a cup of butter, softened. You can use unsalted or salted, but if you use salted, make sure to cut how much salt you're putting into the recipe. Now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, packed. Mix that in with your butter. And 2/3 a cup of molasses. Oh, this is bringing back memories of Thanksgiving past with that pumpkin pie. Next, we'll add 1 large egg, a teaspoon of vanilla, 3½ cups of flour. You could do this by doing dry ingredients and wet ingredients separately, or you could just be adventurous, as I do, and try to make it all mixed together properly. It adds a bit of adventure to your baking. So we need 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, a little sprinkling of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and that's it. Now you're gonna mix that all together. Where's my spoon? I'm gonna mix it all together. Here we go. We made our dough yesterday and I let it sit in the icebox overnight and it's ready to be rolled out. You're going to roll it out on a lightly floured area, put it on a cookie sheet and then bake it for about 8 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's get rolling. Once your cookies are finished, let them cool and you can decorate them, but personally I'm a terrible cookie decorator, so I've just decided just enjoy them. And a special thank you to Mr. Armstrong's apprentice tin worker who made me the delightful star cookie cutter. If you haven't seen that video, it's going to be right here. You can check that out. And please subscribe and like this video. We'll see you later. Bye!